So good evening. We are back again. We are going to talk about Thomas Partey, Tchouameni, and we're going to talk about where's Declan? Where is Deckers? Where is Rice? No, I'm not going to sing it. I'm not. That's just cringe. But anyway, before we get into all of that, we have lots to get our teeth into. So make sure you are subbing to the channel. Loads of content coming up this summer. Constant transfer videos, literally less than a month before the season starts as well, because the first game is on the 6th of August, the Community Shield. That is the curtain raiser for the Premier League. So yes, make sure you are subbing to the channel, sticking a thumbs up. That's always nice. Make sure you stick your comments and super chats down below. I do appreciate people that do that. That's lovely. Let me know your thoughts and feelings. But where should we start? Let's start with Thomas Partey. Linked to Manchester United for £30 million. Bit weird that we want to get rid of him. I mean, it's even more weird that thousands and thousands of people are trying to convince themselves it's a good idea. Why? It makes no sense to me. Oh, but he's 30 and Luka Modric is 38. What are you waffling about? Why is there this notion that as soon as you get to 30, you're finished? Like, I make it make sense. Like, I know this fan base love to think that this is Neverland or Epstein Island or something, because they're so like on it with the youth project. Yeah, no, I just want the best footballers at the club, and he's one of the best footballers at the club, so we need to keep him. Yeah, and I don't know, but I've seen a lot of people saying that it's because of the allegations against him, like blah 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 blah. Why are you just all chatting rubbish? Yeah, it's like we have no idea what's going on. Yeah, so you've gone from he's better than Casemiro and Rodri to, oh, well, he's 30, he's old, and he disappeared at the end of the season. And he's got these allegations. Well, didn't he have them all season then? Because I'm pretty sure this was happening during the season. Not only that, he was one of our best players last season, if not our best player. You could argue Odegaard, you could argue Saka. Yeah, but he was up there. And the fact that he disappeared for the last 8 games of the season, well, Bukayo Saka did for the second year running and got rewarded a new contract. Aaron Ramsdale, excuse me, also did and got rewarded a new contract. Oh, yeah, but Lee, they're younger. They're younger. And what is the fetish with having youngsters at this football club? Like, it makes no sense to me. Go and buy the best players. Have we brought a world-class footballer yet, by the way? Because I was told, and have been told for years, that getting in the Champions League gets you world-class players. Well, so far, we ain't signed any. So where's the world-class players? Bit of a weird one, if you ask me, but it is what it is. Is he going to Man United? I'm not sure. I don't know. There's a lot of talk about him leaving. Yeah, and that's kind of worrying. Because if it is true, we are weaker without him. Yeah, I don't care what anyone tells me. We are weaker in midfield without him. Yeah, and I do not want to see Jorginho in midfield. No. You're not good enough, mate. He shouldn't be here, by the way. You're telling me there's no midfielder better than him in the world that we can we can't go and get anyone else. It has to be Jorginho. It has to be El Neni. Come on. Like, we're supposed to be buying the best footballers in the world. Yeah, we're one of the biggest clubs in the world. Which leads me on to Tchouameni. Let me know your thoughts on Pai. Do you think he is actually going to leave? And if so, where's he going? Yeah, because if it is down to these allegations, then he better leave the country and go to Saudi, because that's got Saudi's got no treaty with England for extradition. So if it is to do with these alleged claims and all of this, then yeah, maybe that's where he's going. If it ain't got nothing to do with that, then he can go anywhere, really, can't he? So he has been linked with Juve and AC Milan. I don't think he'll be going there, if I'm honest. But we'll see. We'll see. We are linked again with Tchouameni. And again, another myth that needs to be blown out of the water is that Real Madrid are skint. They're not. Who's made this up? Who has made up this stupid rumour that Real Madrid are skint and can't spend any more money? Real Madrid's net spend since 2008 is less than Arsenal's. What are you waffling about? What is all this hype and chat? Oh, they have to sell, and they've got 7 midfielders, so they need to get rid of some. Who makes this stuff up? I don't get it. It makes no sense to me. Tchouameni is a baller, and we should be looking at him. Yeah, we should be trying to bid for him. We have got the money as well. I was seeing somebody the other day, can't remember his name, Dean something, can't remember his name, Dean Jones. They're saying, I find it hard to believe that Arsenal are going to go and buy Tchouameni because of the amount of money they spent. Mate, this is not 2009 or 2010 or 11. This is 2023 and we are caked. Yeah, what are you chatting about? Like, these people get paid to say this crap, by the way. Like, what are they waffling about? Yeah, Real Madrid have got bundles of money. Bundles and bundles. They've turned a profit in 3 out of the last 5 summer windows. Yeah, so I don't know why anyone thinks that they're struggling for FFP. They're not. They're not. They're nowhere near struggling for FFP. Yeah, I read quite a bit about Real Madrid. Obviously, I live in Spain. It's everywhere. And they're nowhere near struggling for FFP, trust me. They could go and buy Mbappe this summer and it still wouldn't worry them. Is what it is. Which is why I don't see them selling Tchouameni. Yeah, Modric and Kroos will be gone next season. Yeah, Tchouameni, Camavinga, Bellingham. That's mad. Yeah, that's a mad trio. Yeah, and there's a lot of games. Real Madrid are going to have touching 70 games this season. They go deep in all competitions. So there's no way, I don't think, that they're selling Tchouameni. Yeah, maybe if we went and bid decent dough for him, maybe they would accept it. I don't know. But so far, I've not seen anyone of any credibility telling me that we've bid for Tchouameni. We're just looking at Tchouameni, offering, preparing, yeah, readying, monitoring, like all of these stupid buzzwords that these dickheads use. Like, seriously, man, read between the lines. He plays for the biggest club on the planet that actually wins stuff. Like, come on. He's playing with some of the best footballers on the planet that actually win stuff. Why would he come to Arsenal? Make that make sense. The only way he'd come maybe is game time. Okay, so who are we dropping then? Is Declan Rice getting dropped? Is Thomas Partey, if he stays, getting dropped? No, he ain't. Oh, but Lee, we need squad depth. Really? Well, how comes you dickheads all want Thomas Partey gone then? Make it all make sense. These people, they're talking riddles to try and bamboozle you. Yeah? Tchouameni is staying at Madrid. Thomas Partey, we don't know. It is what it is. But anyway, let me know your thoughts and feelings and all of that, because Real Madrid have actually said, Ancelotti has actually said Tchouameni is going nowhere as well. Now, I know managers lie, and they do lie through their teeth. Yeah. But if Real Madrid say, and I think Florentino Perez has said it, if they actually say he's staying, then I'd imagine he's staying. Yeah. Real Madrid don't piss about. They'll tell you they're going to go and sign some more players, and they go and sign them. They're not worried about, the market being inflated because we've told them we're looking at players. Like, who makes these narratives? They drive me insane, the media. Yeah, because it's all a load of crap. Yeah, like, all I keep hearing is Declan Rice next 24 hours, Declan Rice next 48 hours, Declan Rice to be announced Monday. Now it's Wednesday. Now it could be Friday. Now he's still on holiday. The buzzer's gone for most people, mate. And this is why. And Declan Rice already signed the deal last week. Why didn't they just announce it last week? They would have done all the photo shoot. They would have done everything. Why didn't Arsenal just announce that as soon as he'd done the photo shoot and everything was prepped and done? Just go, bang. Same with Timber. But what they're going to do is they're going to put Timber out there today or tomorrow, maybe Wednesday. They'll have a buzz around that for a couple of days. Then on Friday, bang, they'll drop Declan Rice and everyone will be buzzing for the weekend. Yeah, the fact is they should have already announced these deals. And the fact that Fabrizio and other journalist David Ornstein have already announced it, basically done. They've had their medicals, they've passed, etc., etc. I don't understand why Arsenal don't announce them. What are they waiting for? I genuinely do not understand. Because Man United, when they agree a fee with a club, they put it straight out on Twitter. Bang, we've agreed a fee. Yeah, they don't muck around. Make it make sense, people. Yeah, and the same with like these journalists, even Fabrizio talking about Onana. Yeah, the deal should be done next week. Well, how? They haven't put the third bid in. The second bid's been rejected. So how will the deal be done next week? The deal's already done for Onana. They're just drip feeding you people. They're drip feeding you to keep the buzz. Oh my God, are we going to get Onana or not? Onana's a Man United player. Yeah, he's a Man United player, but they've got to keep this facade going to build up the drama. Oh my God, look, Man United, they got it over the line. Look how good Man United are. Right, it's all a load of bollocks. And you know what? The older I'm getting, the more I'm realizing how fraudulent these bastards are. Right, these mainstream media mob. Yeah, how fraudulent they are within not just football, but a lot. Because they do keep the drama going for football. Like, Arsenal have bid rejected, but they're going to come back and it should be done. Now we're haggling over it. That Declan Rice deal has probably been done for the best part of 2 weeks. Like, we don't know when he had his medical. He might have had it 2 weeks ago. How do we know? We're only going off of what David Ornstein's telling us. David Ornstein's only telling us what the club want him to tell us. Like, come on, it's crazy. But yeah, they're only feeding us little drip feeds. It's like we're suckling on the teat and just getting powder. Anyway, have a wonderful afternoon, people. On a happy Monday. I'm going to the pool for the day. For the rest of the afternoon and evening, I'm going to go and stick my skinny little ass around the pool, top up my tan, have a couple of beers, and enjoy fresh air. Maybe some of you should go outside as well. Enjoy fresh air. Breathe in the fresh air instead of sitting on socials all day. Get off the socials after you watch this video, obviously, and go for a walk. Go to the pool. Go to your local swimming baths. Anyway, that's enough waffling. Get your comments and super chats in below. Do subscribe. That'd be great. This channel is currently flying, so thank you very much. Nearly on 85k. I do appreciate that. So thank you very much. And make sure you are sticking a thumbs up on the video. Do go and check out the second channel as well. Yeah, that's close to 18k. So go and sub to that. Just dropped a video about Bayern Munich having a bid rejected for Kane, and that serial loser could be staying. Ange Postecoglou has spoken, saying that he wants him to stay, etc., etc. So go and check that out. And yeah, people, have a blessed Monday. Have a blessed week. I'll be back again tomorrow. We out here. Laters.